I'll be back in a couple of days. I'm sorry, babe. It was an emergency trip. Look, I promise to tell you when I get back. Come on, don't put me in a spot. Well, I had to come up to see what's happening with the shipment for the funeral homes. Yeah. Alright, hon. Love you. Big kiss.
Antonio Xpressionz.
Adrian Badu.
Come inside. So, what brings you to this side of the world?
Business.
Business? What kind of business?
Adrian, yo, nobody play difficult. You know why I'm here.
Nah, tell no lie, still kind of feel disrespected away.
Disrespected. Disrespected how?
Yeah, so I work with a new supplier. Come in, let's go inside.
Your price did I get too ridiculous. So me have to find somebody else.
But him dead now. And you still have to run, come crawl back to me, eh?
Run to you. Man sound like a bitter ex-girlfriend. That no fit your brother. Get over it. You do business or not, that one no.
Well, let's forget about that. The price is still the same for you.
Let me see what you have.
You lose a screw or two. Nah, keep them things yourself. And there's somewhere else lock.
So what you ask me for come here then for?
Well, it's been a while. And I think we have been due for a drink and to have a chat.
You not change, not true. You just want to rub it in my face, say me find another supplier.
So, tell me something. You still not find out who killed your African friend?
Friend? No. Only here so them find him in my house, strangled.
Strangled? So who you think is responsible?
That have the feds written all over it. Plus them raid 4 funeral homes after that.
That sounds serious. So I'm you afraid?
Fear for the weak is what? You get afraid?
Never. Yes, you're gone in a construction.
Well, you're here, right? You know me have to spread my wings.
Plus, construction business are the best way to hide the dirty money.
Yeah. We're talking about hide. You know, so my plan for hide a couple people down there too.
Well, you know me are the right man to talk about that.
Hey, I don't have that one under control, man. The wheels already set in motion.
Well, do you think? You're the expert.
Yeah. Me are the expert, yes.